How to enable Notes music on Instagram and add music to Instagram Notes on Android phone. Launch the Instagram app on your phone. Navigate to the Chats section. Tap on the plus icon located at the top left corner of your screen, labeled as Your Notes. Select Add Music from the options presented. Browse through the available tracks and choose the one you wish to include. Add the music with a text message or an emoji to complete the process. If the music note's not showing, then you need to updating the Instagram app to the latest version. Go to the App Store or Play Store and search for Instagram. If you can see the update option next to the Instagram app, click on it to install the latest version of the app. Then, open the Instagram app and click the messages icon and check if the note bubble is appearing. If the notes feature is still missing from your Instagram account, then try the next step. Open your web browser. Now search for Instagram Beta APK. Simply download it and install. So, this is how to enable Notes music on Instagram and how to add music to Instagram Notes. I hope this video will help you to get Instagram Music Notes feature. Thanks for watching this video. And don't forget to hit the like button below the video and share it with your friends. If you want more videos like this, then tap on the subscribe button and join us.